Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to finish strong in Apex Legends. Winning those final engagements requires a blend of skill and strategy. We'll cover crucial aspects like understanding the final circle, securing advantageous positions, and managing your resources effectively. By focusing on these key areas, you can consistently outplay your opponents and secure more victories. Let's dive into the specifics to elevate your late-game performance. Strategic positioning is paramount as the game progresses. Always aim to secure high ground, which offers a significant advantage in vision and shooting angles. Look for solid cover, like rocks or buildings, to protect yourself from incoming fire. Pay close attention to the ring's movement and predict where enemies will be forced to move. Never get caught in the open. Always have a plan for retreat or repositioning. Effective resource management is crucial for late-game success. Always aim to carry a balanced inventory, including at least 4 healing items like shield cells or med kits. Ensure you have ample ammunition for both of your weapons, ideally around 300 rounds for your primary. Deploy your Legend's tactical ability to gain an edge, and save your powerful ultimate ability for the most impactful moments in the final fight. Teamwork is the ultimate key to securing victory. Maintain clear and concise communication with your squad, calling out enemy positions and their shield status. Coordinate your attacks to focus fire on a single opponent, quickly reducing their numbers. Once an enemy is downed, push together as a cohesive unit to capitalize on the advantage. Always prioritize safely reviving downed teammates to keep your squad at full strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.